Hi, this is Albina.
And I'm Roger.
And we're the owners of Blue Sky Retreat Center and Bed and Breakfast at the historic San Geronimo Lodge in Taos, New Mexico.
We're really excited to welcome you back when we reopen, and we wanted to ensure your comfort and safety and tell you about all the new protocols that we're going to be rolling out so that you can have peace of mind when you come up into Enchanted, New Mexico. We're on site, so we're treating the space just like we would our own house with our own family. Some of those enhanced protocols are remote check-in, so we'll be emailing and texting you your digicode so you can go right into the room. We'll be frequently sanitizing all commonly touched things. The indoor spaces, common spaces, are closed, so there won't be much interaction among guests and staff. We're going to be cleaning the room with CDC approved products, and our cleaning staff is going to have gloves and masks, and we're going to be over cleaning all of the commonly touched areas within the rooms and letting the rooms rest in between stays. You do still get access to the great outdoors here in Enchanted, New Mexico, and everything that Taos has to offer. And this is a bed and breakfast, so you want to tell them about breakfast?
Yes, and even though my mom's famous homemade breakfast buffet is temporarily suspended, she's still developing a really delicious hot breakfast that will be served to you in a disposable container right to your room. And as always, you can always order homemade dinner and we'll bring it to your room as well.
In short, we can't wait to see you, and we hope that you'll feel good about coming because we feel good about having you right now, and we can't wait to see you.
It's beautiful here in Taos. Please come and visit.
Thank you.